please. She's on her way to school. So this morning I'm dropping her off to school. Normally it's her aunt who pick her up in the morning. Say hi, Malika. Say hi. You ready? Say hi. And Malia is with me. I'm taking a taxi. Yeah, I don't want her to miss school today, so. Yeah. Guys, I'm back from dropping off Malika and I'm now in her room, or what used to be her room anyways. Packing up, as everyone know that we are moving, so it's just 2 or 3 days of moving, so I'm taking my time to pack up each room. So today I'm doing this room. Yep, it's a mess. I throw some stuff. I started already. You can see box and stuff like boxes and bags, so I've started already, and stuff is just to get them out. I have to clean down, I have to wipe down the walls. Yep. Ooh. Hi guys, welcome back to second day of Vlogmas.
Day 2, day 2nd.
Yeah, don't mind the little voice in the background crying. So I am off to the doctor today. I will be doing or getting birth control. If you guys have been watching our channel long enough, you guys know that I've been always saying that no more pitney. That's it, me done. Yeah, that's it, me done. No more.
You hear that, Ronessa? No more.
No more. So at first I wanted to get what I call it, tie off or tube, but I don't remember the medical name for it. Tie off. But yeah, kind of semi young, then semi kind of young, right? And my gyno kind of gave me the second option of doing IUD. So that is what I'm going to do.
A what?
IUD.
Oh, what that like
The procedure that I'm going to do
it's
now.
called IUD.
Yeah.
Is that like a common thing?
I think so.
Okay.
Yeah.
Anyways, guys, blessings to everybody who is tuning into this our second day of Vlogmas. You know, this kind of new to see me. So I share it down every day. I don't know, so I get a brand new video. So we want for the subscribe like, share, and definitely leave a comment. You understand? So just sending some blessings to everyone as well. Hope everybody's having a great day today. I think you know, different days, different places. I don't know what time you guys watching this video, but it's now a Thursday and it's around 11 o'clock right now. Temperature is very cool, by the way. It's like -5 outside, and it's so windy, make you feel like -10. Very, very freezing. So if you're somewhere that you're taking in some sunshine, definitely soak it up for we are here. Yeah. Get some extra sunshine with us in your thoughts. Definitely. For all the persons who are trying to come to Canada, I don't know the thing going on, you know, just keep on fingers on toe and cross that you guys get your positive news very, very soon, and you guys are able to extreme these wonderful temperatures as well. All right, so yeah, forward as not to sugar doctor. Get our UID.
IUD. United.
Yeah, forward guys.
Alright, I'm gonna hold on to your cervix. Give me a big cough.
What?
Cough.
Cough.
Yes.
Okay.
Alright. Sorry. Pressure. Hold on with that pressure. Good. Get your ID in. Breathe. ID in. All done. Take this out. Just keep telling yourself 5 years. No. Ow.
Yeah, guys. So not staying at the doctor office right now. She ain't there for a little while still, but so the thing said, just there go and bill. Of course, by my lunchtime, I work see me for I wonder. Yeah, me that work see me, but my lunchtime is usually filled with stuff like this. Oftentimes pick up Malika from school, drop her off, you know, up and down and stuff. Also we're on another car for that, so we can stop. You know, we can make things a little bit easier as well. But she's really afraid of driving, especially in the snow. So I'm not really too pressure. When she ready, she will definitely take up that challenge there and thing, you know. So yeah, we just there going hang out with my daddy duty. One over there, so with my other phone, of course, I watch some farmer cartoon, and one down there so asleep. I'm there, so I go and bleach and wait for nuts to done that little thing then. So as you guys may have known already, we are currently in the process of moving. So one day at a time. We're not doing like on the weekend. We plan to do that one big move over, but until then, we're just moving over some little stuff so that it can be easier on us. So yesterday, but last night actually, we went to the new house that we are moving into, and we move over some stuff, and we just did a little video, so I'll just squeeze it in right. Yes, sir. See you guys in a bit. Malika, are you excited? Take up your jacket off the ground. Okay, babes. New place. I'll try to know. Yeah, guys. So we're slowly are moving. Malika over there, so go. Hey, careful! Why you go up the stairs back way? You like the new place, Malika? Excited? Are you excited? I try to do. I try to. Hey guys, so we're just looking at the basement to go and chill out, you know? And thing. yeah. Blessings to everybody who is tuning into this video, by the way. Make sure you subscribe if you're new. Definitely. Thanks to all the returning subscribers as usual. There.
Yes, yes, 5 years. I believe you're 5 years still.
5 years thing?
Yes.
So going until 5 or nothing can
I don't know for that them say.
I need to know. We should have come in with as a matter of fact. I have some questions, but I like to get answered. Like, you know, like how effective is this thing, you know? Cause I don't know. No miss up.
No miss up. Hopefully, no miss up.
Okay.
The procedure was, let me see, a little painful.
Yeah.
Currently, right now, I feel like I am having period cramps.
Jana.
Yes, but she said over time it will just go away. But it is worth it. No kids, it is worth it.
So was it expensive though? It was like,
oh, you didn't see the thing, no? Your good insurance covered it.
so what's the cost without insurance or stuff like that?
Basically almost $400.
Without insurance?
Without insurance. Yeah, $400. You having good insurance, so I'm not paying no. Must what, $10 pay for it? Yeah, good insurance. But anyways, protection. Be safe out there, guys. Protection.
And I just come in, I go around. Pick me, I go around too. Yeah, so don't have to do, yeah, man. I just say thing, you know, just do what you guys have to do, you understand? Anyways, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this vlog with us. We really and truly enjoy taking you guys around with us. Everywhere we are going now, forward on myself, and I just, yo, watch out, so I'm going. Everywhere we are going now, come. Everywhere we are going, you guys are coming along. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching this video all the way through to the end. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider hitting that little red button right on the right hand side right down below. If you are in a country that allows you to join our channel membership, consider hitting that blue button beside the red button as well and become an official member of the Andersons channel. Of course, if you want to support us, all the links are down in the video description. Just go and go click and see which one you want to do. You understand? We have a GoFundMe, we have a dream, we have a goal. Give us some love, give us some strength. You know what I think? We really appreciate it. Yeah, be safe as Nat said. Take care of yourself, take care of your mental health. Very, very important. Be kind to somebody and stop walking around with a permanent screw face on someone's face. Smile a little bit, it makes a lot of a difference. Alright? Until the next video, until tomorrow, little more.